Hello students, welcome to our next video of cell cycle and cell division. And in this video, we will discuss about the mitosis cell division in animal cell as well as in plant cell. It means the comparison between the mitosis cell division of animal cell and plant cell. Okay, in our previous videos, we had discussed about complete mitosis cell division and it is only for the animal cell. Now it is different in some manners from the plant cell. That's why in this video we will compare the mitosis cell division between animal cell and in the plant cell. So here the comparison between mitosis division of animal cell and plant cell. Here is the animal cell and this one is the plant cell. Clear? Now this is here I am drawing one more column, that is for structure of the cell. Which type of structure an animal cell and a plant cell is having. Firstly, the most important thing, that is animal cell is having centriole or centrosome, but in plant cell centrosome or centriole is absent. So first is centriole. In case of animal cell, centriole is present, which is responsible for the formation of spindle fibers and for the formation of esters. And in case of plant cell, as we all know that in case of plant cell, the centriole or centrosome is absent. So there is no centriole is present in the plant cell. So spindle fiber formation, how the spindle fiber formation going to take place in the plant cell? The spindle fiber formation is going to take place with the help of polymerization of the tubulin protein monomers. Clear? So next thing we are going to discuss, that is the first phase of the division, that is prophase. Okay? Prophase first में changes थे. Now we all remember these changes which are going to take place during the prophase stage. In case of animal cell, during prophase, the nuclear membrane, ER membrane and the Golgi membrane are going to disappear and the formation of spindle fibers and esters are going to start. And in case of animals, two esters are formed. Two esters are formed from the centriole. That's why this is the structure which called as amphiesters. We had discussed it earlier. This is amphiesters. Because of the formation of two esters, this is called as amphiesters. And the spindle fibers are also formed with the help of centriole. So spindle fiber formation takes place. Spindle fibers formed during प्रोफेज स्टेज. ठीक है, ये हमें अच्छे से ध्यान रखना है. प्रोफेज में हमारे पास क्या क्या हो रहा है? न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, ईआर मेम्ब्रेन एंड गोल्गी मेम्ब्रेन डिसअपियर हो रही है. टू एस्टर्स का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है एंड स्पिंडल फाइबर्स का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. दीज ऑल आर टेक्स प्लेस इन केस ऑफ द animal cell. Now what is going to take place in the plant cell? We know that in plant cell centriole is absent. So how the spindle fibers are going to formed? The spindle fibers are formed with the help of polymerization of tubulin monomers. There is no ester formation. So here no ester formation That's why it is called as anestral. Okay, this is amphiastrus or this is anestrus or anestrus. Anestral or anestrus. Clear? Because here no esters are formed and the spindle fibers are formed. Spindle fibers are there, but spindle fibers are formed by the polymerization of tubulin monomers. Tubulin is a type of protein. ठीक है, तो बहुत सारे ट्यूबुलिन मोनोमर्स जो हैं ये मिलकर हमारे पास स्पिंडल फाइबर फॉर्मेशन बनाएंगे. स्ट्रक्चर इज लाइक दिस. दिस इज द प्लांट सेल एंड दीज आर द tubulin proteins which forms the spindle fibers. These look like the spindle fibers formed from the centriole, but they are not formed from the centriole. So this is the one and important difference between the mitosis cell division of animal cell as well as in plant cell. Clear? तो पहला डिफरेंस हमें देखने को मिला प्रोफेज स्टेज में. Why? Because spindle fiber formation is going to take place in the different ways. Second stage is prophase and prophase is same in both of the cells. ना prophase में कोई change नहीं है. During prophase the chromosomes are going to arrange at the equator. So this process is same in plants as well as in animal cell. Okay, metaphase में कोई change नहीं होगा. That's why I'm not writing about the metaphase because it is same in both of the cells. We are discussing only the differences. The third one is anaphase stage. The third phase is anaphase, and in case of anaphase, the cytokinesis starts in the animal cell. At the end of the anaphase, cytokinesis will start. So here at the end of anaphase, cytokinesis starts. But in case of plant cell, it is not appear in the anaphase. So here cytokinesis not appear in anaphase. So this is also a difference. Next stage is telophase. Again telophase is same in both of the cells because telophase is reverse of the prophase. ठीक है, प्रोफेज के रिवर्स चेंजेस हमें टेलोफेज स्टेज में देखने को मिलते हैं. तो यहाँ पर टेलोफेज भी एनिमल सेल एंड प्लांट सेल दोनों में सेम है, इसलिए हम उसे यहाँ पर नहीं लिख रहे हैं. द वन एंड वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चेंज दैट इज ड्यूरिंग द साइटोकाइनेसिस. ठीक है, ये सबसे बड़ा चेंज है जिसे हमें बहुत अच्छे से देखना है. नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज कॉल्ड एज साइटोकाइनेसिस. साइटोकाइनेसिस मीन्स साइटोप्लाज्मिक डिवीजन. ठीक है, साइटोप्लाज्मिक डिवीजन एनिमल सेल में किस तरह से होता है ये हम ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर चुके हैं माइटोसिस सेल डिवीजन में. आई एम रिवाइजिंग हियर. इन केस ऑफ एनिमल सेल, साइटोकाइनेसिस इज टेक्स प्लेस बाय द इन्वेजिनेशन इन प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. सो हियर साइटोकाइनेसिस टेक्स प्लेस by the invagination of plasma membrane. But in case of plants, we know that in case of plants, cell wall is present at the outer side of the plasma membrane and this cell wall is rigid structure. So there is no invagination formation. There is a different type of processes takes place that is called as cell plate formation. So here cytokinesis takes place with the help of cell plate formation. How this cell plate is going to form, we will discuss it in detail. I am erasing all these things. In case of animals, invagination or a furrow is formed like this. This is the animal cell and here is the invagination. This is the invagination in plasma membrane. Here is the two nuclei. These are the two nuclei. This is the centrosome. Again here it is the centrosome. This invagination gets deeper and here the cell will divide into two daughter cells from this place. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं इन्वेजिनेशन आउटर टू इनर मूव कर रहा है. ठीक है, आउटर साइड टू इनर साइड दिस इन्वेजिनेशन गोइंग टू deeper. That's why this type of division is called as centripetal division. So here it is centripetal. It means the invagination is going to deeper from outer to inner side. This is from outward to inwards. Yeah, that's why it is the centripetal type of division of cytokinesis. Now, two cells are going to divide from this place. But in case of plant cell, what is happening? This is the plant cell. This is the cell wall of plant cell and here is the plasma membrane. Nucleus has divided. So this is the nucleus and this is the second nucleus. Centriole is not there, so I am not drawing the centriole. Now, after the division of nucleus, cell plate formation will takes place in the plant cell. ठीक है, यहाँ पर दोनों न्यूक्लियाई के बीच में इस जगह पे इस तरह से सेल प्लेट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. And this cell plate is nothing but the pieces of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. So this cell plate is the pieces of ER and Golgi. Clear? And these pieces are called as phragmoplast. These pieces are called as phragmoplast. These are the only pieces of ER and Golgi which are going to arrange here in the manner of a plate. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पर प्लेट के फॉर्म में ये हमारे पास पीसेस अरेंज हो जाते हैं. दिस इज द सेल प्लेट. दिस मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ दिस अबव मेम्ब्रेन, आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट विद अ डिफरेंट कलर. This is the membrane which forms the plasma membrane of this cell and this membrane forms the plasma membrane of the other cell. Here I am drawing this structure here. This is the piece of ER and Golgi cell plate. ठीक है, यहां से इनकी जो मेम्ब्रेन है ये मेम्ब्रेन हमारे पास बनाएगी इस सेल की प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन और यहां पर जो दूसरी इधर की मेम्ब्रेन है ये दूसरे सेल की प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन बनाएगी और जो ये सेंटर में बचा हुआ है दिस विल फॉर्म द मिडिल लैमेला ऑफ द सेल वॉल. ना सेल वॉल का स्ट्रक्चर हमने सेल वाले चैप्टर में देखा है, वहां पर आपने देखा है सेल वॉल में फर्स्टली मिडिल लैमेला विल फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द मिडिल लैमेला. This middle lamella is formed by the ER and Golgi pieces. Here, this is formed of the calcium and magnesium peptides. Here is the primary cell wall. This is the primary cell wall of this cell. ना यहाँ पे एक सेल है और यहाँ पे एक सेल है A and B. नहीं, यहाँ से सेल दो में डिवाइड हो रही है तो this is the A cell and this is the B cell. This is the primary cell wall of A and this is the primary cell wall of B. Now the secondary cell wall formation will take place. This is the secondary cell wall of A and this is the secondary cell wall of B. And in case of some tissues, tertiary cell wall is also there. So this is the tertiary cell and this is the tertiary cell. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से जो हमारा मिडिल लैमेला है इस मिडिल लैमेला से ये सेल जो है वो 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाती है। ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस या बहुत ज्यादा गैप दोनों सेल्स के बीच में नहीं होता है। बोथ ऑफ द सेल्स रिमेन इन कॉन्टेक्ट विद ईच अदर बट दे विल सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस। ठीक है, तो यहां से ये हमारे पास सेंटर से कॉर्नर की साइड इसका फॉर्मेशन होता है, फ्रॉम सेंटर टू कॉर्नर। वहां पर आपने एनिमल सेल में देखा था फ्रॉम कॉर्नर टू सेंटर, फ्रॉम आउटवर्ड टू इनवर्ड एंड हियर फ्रॉम इनवर्ड टू आउटवर्ड। उसको हमने नाम दिया था सेंट्रीपिटल टाइप ऑफ डिवीजन एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेंट्रीफ्यूगल टाइप ऑफ डिवीजन। क्लियर? सो इट इज centrifugal division of cytokinesis. Why centrifugal? Because it takes place from inward to outward, and in centripetal, outward to inward formation of furrow is going to takes place. So this is the formation of cell plate, and at the position of this cell plate, the cell will divided into the 2 parts. क्लियर? तो ये आपको बहुत अच्छे समझ में आया। हमने क्या देखा? एनिमल सेल एंड प्लांट सेल दोनों में हमने स्टार्टिंग से जो डिफरेंसेस देखे, फर्स्ट जो बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंसेस प्रेजेंट थे, दे आर एट द प्रोफेज स्टेज एंड इन साइटोकाइनेसिस। मेटाफेज एंड टेलोफेज आर रिमेन्स द सेम एंड एनाफेजिक changes are also there because at the anaphase stage in animal cell the invagination of plasma membrane are going to starts forming, and in case of plant cell they are not appear in the anaphase stage. The cytokinesis process takes place in animal cell with the help of furrow formation or with the help of invagination formation. These invaginations are from outer side to inner side, that's why they are called as centripetal type of division. And in case of plant cell, the cell cytoplasmic division or the cytokinesis is going to take place with the help of cell plate formation, and at the place of this cell plate the cell is going to divide in the 2 daughter cells. क्लियर? तो इस तरीके से हमारे पास सेल प्लेट फॉर्मेशन की मेथड से साइटोकाइनेसिस होता है प्लांट सेल में. सो दीज आर द सम डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन mitosis cell division of animal cell as well as in plant cell. After that we will discuss about some more interesting facts about the mitosis cell division, and we will discuss these facts in our next video. So तब तक आप इसको complete mitosis cell division को आप starting से end तक watch करिए. ठीक है, 3-4 वीडियोस हमारे पास इसके हैं, तो आप starting से end तक इनको watch करिए. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.